Okay, here we have the oh, I think I just broke the chair. Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna go through this beautiful fall inspired look with our Tartelette Toasted Palette. So it's actually kind of cooler in Florida, even in Florida, since it is officially fall. And by cooler, I mean it's not as hot and humid. Now the breeze is like kind of warm. It's better than hot and humid. But if you guys like this look, then keep on watching. The first thing I want to do is set my lid with the shade S'more. I do want to build up my crease, so to do that, I'm going to start with the darkest color and then build my way softer, kind of blending it out. So for my crease color, I'm going to start going with the shade Cozy. Here's Cozy right over here. So I am taking a pencil brush and taking that shade Cozy and just kind of keeping my eyes normal, not like this, and outlining where my crease is before I buff it out. And then taking that buffer brush, I'm gonna blend it in. Taking the shade Warmth, I'm gonna add that on top of Cozy. I'm gonna do the same that I did and blend it in. Taking the shade Fireside, I'm gonna darken up right below my crease. I changed my mind. I am putting it in my outer V, just kind of tapping it on before blending it out. So far, this is how our eye look should look. So I added the shade Cozy first to my crease line, and then on top of that, added the shade Warmth to kind of soften it up. And then I put on the shade Fireside to my outer V to kind of deepen it some. So we're not done yet, there's more. So now I'm just buffing in the shade Crackle on top of my outer V. It has those flecks of shimmer in it, so I love it as a topper. I'm gonna buff it in before the next step. I'm gonna take some Shape Tape Contour Concealer and add that to the blank spaces of my eye before applying the shade Simmer. And I like to grab our double-ended eyebrow brush and just kind of apply it onto there, so I have very precise lines. So this is how our eye should look after we apply the Shape Tape. Now I'm gonna grab the shade Simmer with my finger so it's super pigmented and just tap it right on top of that. Taking that Shame blending brush that we've been using on our eye the entire time, I'm gonna just kind of fuse the two together. We added the shade Simmer on top of the Shape Tape, and now we're gonna add Candle to our inner corner. And to our brow bone, because why not? I brought the shade Cozy to my lower lash line, right over here. And I'm gonna add a quick microline with our Tarte Double Take eyeliner. I wanted to spruce it up a bit, so I did one side with our Tarte Double Take eyeliner to show you guys what the black eyeliner looks like with this look. And I also did the other side with our Tarte Clay Paint liner in the style shade Gold. So I just comes with this little brush right here. So I just did a wing on this side as well as this side. I'm digging the gold, so I'm actually going to go over the black liner with our clay paint liner in the shade Gold. Before applying some falsies in the style Glamazon, I'm gonna apply a couple of coats of our Manicure mascara. Now that we're all done with the eye look, I'm gonna top it off with the shade Killin' It from our Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paints because it is fall and I live for these colors in the fall. Here we have the final look using our Tartelette Toasted palette, which is my absolute favorite palette for fall and winter. I love this palette because it gives you gorgeous eye looks with such beautiful dark warm tones as well as those gorgeous shimmer shades. So if you guys want to see any other eye looks or makeup looks, if you want to see how I got the base for the makeup look, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, tartlets.